Did you know? Your FedEx and UPS invoices look fine, but fine doesn't mean accurate. There are charges buried in there that most merchants never catch, and they're costing you real money. Here are 12 of them. Duplicate charges. Sometimes the same shipment gets billed twice, and without a line-by-line audit, it just slips through. Invalid residential surcharges. Carriers apply a residential fee to addresses that are clearly businesses, and you end up paying for a classification that was never correct. Incorrect dimensional weight. If the carrier measures your package wrong, they calculate a higher billable weight, and your cost goes up for no valid reason. Unearned fuel surcharges. These are supposed to be based on your negotiated base rate, but when that base rate is wrong, every fuel surcharge calculated on top of it is wrong too. Address correction fees. Carriers charge you for correcting an address, even when the address you provided was perfectly accurate to begin with. Late delivery with no refund. You paid for a guaranteed delivery window, the carrier missed it, and instead of issuing a refund automatically, they just keep the money. Unapplied negotiated discounts. You worked out a contract rate with your carrier, but the invoice doesn't reflect it, and the difference quietly disappears. Phantom signature fees. You get billed for a signature confirmation that was never actually collected at delivery. Wrong service type billed. You booked a ground shipment, but the invoice shows express rates, and that gap in cost is significant. Unauthorized rate increases. Carriers sometimes adjust rates mid-cycle without clear communication, and those increases show up on your bill before you even know they happened. Manifested but not shipped. A shipment gets scanned and logged in the system but never actually moves, and you still get billed for it. And overcharged declared value fees. When the declared value of your shipment is recorded incorrectly, the fee calculated on top of it is inflated every single time. Individually, each of these feels like a small discrepancy, but across hundreds or thousands of shipments, they add up to a serious amount of money, leaving your business unnoticed. LateShipment.com's OneAudit automatically audits every invoice, catches 50+ types of such billing errors and service failures, and ensures you get what you're owed. Run your free audit at LateShipment.com before your next invoice hits.